Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use rose hyaluronic acid. First, begin with a freshly cleansed face. It's crucial that your skin is still damp, not completely dry, as this helps the hyaluronic acid draw moisture into your skin more effectively. A gentle pat with a towel is usually enough to prepare your skin perfectly for the next step. Next, dispense just 2 to 3 drops of the rose hyaluronic acid serum onto your fingertips. Gently pat the product all over your face and neck. Remember, a little goes a long way, and patting helps the serum absorb without unnecessary pulling on your skin. Focus on even coverage for maximum benefits. After applying the hyaluronic acid, it's essential to seal in that moisture. Immediately follow with your favorite moisturizer. This creates a barrier, preventing the hyaluronic acid from evaporating and taking moisture from your skin. This layering technique ensures your skin stays plump and hydrated throughout the day. For the best results, incorporate rose hyaluronic acid into your routine both morning and night. Consistent daily use will significantly improve your skin's hydration levels and overall texture. You'll notice a more radiant, smoother, and plumper complexion, making it a wonderful addition to your skincare regimen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.